Welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and today I really want to introduce you guys to a new system, okay, that's launching on the 23rd of September 2021, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, which is 10 a.m. New York time actually. It's a software, okay, it's a system that will actually teach you how to trade cryptocurrency in the proper way, okay. You and I know that cryptocurrency is becoming very acceptable all over the world, okay. El Salvador just introduced cryptocurrency as a legal tender in that country. That goes to tell you that a whole lot of countries are now going to start adopting cryptocurrency as a legal tender in their countries. Now, how do you position yourself to start making money consistently from cryptocurrency? That is what my friend Michel is going to be teaching you and showing you the step by step in this particular program, which is called Crypto Night. Okay, so this is my Crypto Night review. Okay, so in this particular system, okay, you are going to get details information on how you can leverage, okay, on cryptocurrency to build generational wealth. Okay, now I know there are lots of videos on YouTube that talks about cryptocurrency, but the truth of the matter is this: most of these guys, they don't tell you their secrets. They don't tell you the real details on how to profit from cryptocurrency. Okay, now that is the major reason why my friend Michel has put together this particular video tutorial to show you step by step on how you can position yourself, okay, to take advantage of the bull run that is going to start any moment from now. Okay, you know, 2020, okay, it wasn't a good year for cryptocurrency. Okay, there was a kind of dip, but now it's going to show you how you can position yourself and take advantage of the next bull run that is going to start. Okay, so Michel is saying he's going to teach you one-on-one about making money from cryptocurrency. Okay, he said if you want to be sure to succeed, you can have me as your personal coach, and I will show you exactly how I profit from crypto on a day-to-day basis. Okay, learning how to trade without losing money. If there's one thing I do in life well, is crypto trading. All right. Justin truly is very vast. Is very deep into crypto trading. He's been making profit from crypto trading. I've been following him for quite a while, and I can tell you that he's somebody that actually knows his onion when it comes to crypto trading. Okay, these are some of the things that Michel is going to be showing you in this particular video tutorial. Okay, it's going to show you an easy, beginner friendly method that can make you big gains without trading or using leverage at all. Okay, now before I go into full review of this particular system, I want to show you some exclusive bonuses that I actually have for you. Okay, I know a whole lot of people will be promoting this particular Crypto Night business to you. Okay, they are going to be promoting it to you, and if you shop around, you can see that most of the bonuses they are giving you, they are uniform bonuses, but I'll be giving you custom made bonuses for this particular system. Okay, so let's just run through the bonuses, then before we'll go ahead and review the system properly. Okay, now these are the bonuses I'll be giving to you. Now the bonus number one I'll be giving to you is called Crypto Arbitrage Secret Unravel. Myself and some of my friends who've been benefiting from a particular arbitrage, okay, that we've kept so dear to ourselves. Okay, we use that particular website and Binance. We buy from that particular website, okay, cheap, then we sell on Binance and take the difference as profits. And it's been very profitable for me and my friends for the past 5 to 6 months. We've been doing that, and it's still very fast running. We decided not to put the video on YouTube so that it will not get saturated. So it's something that is very fresh and dear to us. Now, if you get Crypto Night from my link below this video, I'll be giving you this bonus number one. crypto arbitrage secret unravel as a bonus. Okay, from this you can start making passive income on a daily basis. Okay, this has been very profitable, and you can actually do it. I'll be giving you this as my bonus number one. Then the bonus number two I'll be giving you is called Gram Suits. Gramsuit is actually a software that gets you Instagram followers. Okay, this is the exact software our in-house team customized for building up followers on our Instagram account. Okay, so with this particular software, you don't really need to put in that too much of hard work, okay, in getting followers on Instagram. The software will actually help you get followers. All you just need to do is to set it up once, and it goes ahead to help you get followers on Instagram. I'll be giving you this absolutely free if you get Kryptonite from my link below this video. Now I'll be giving you this bonus number three. This bonus number three is something you will actually need if you are interested in video business, if you are interested in video marketing, right? Okay, with this app you can start your very own video subscription platform and charge customers monthly for providing them collection of videos. The idea behind this particular bonus is this video hub is this: you can put a collection of very educative, okay, very informative video together. Okay, then you now make them make VidHub as a subscription app, so that when people come in there, for them to watch videos, they have to like subscribe. And believe you me, people actually, if you go to Fiverr, you see people actually doing this. Okay, so you see that it's a very good way for you to also make passive income. Okay, you just put collection of valuable videos together, but let them be very quality video. Okay, so people will now come to subscribe to your VidHub before they can now watch this video. All you just need to do is just to drive traffic to it, and you start making passive income from it. I'll be giving you the bonus number 4, which is called Bing Ads Training. Now this Bing Ads Training, I made mention of it earlier in one of my review, is something that I personally have used, and I hold it so dear because a lot of people are not taking advantage of Bing Ads. Okay, their attention is majorly on Google. Okay, but Bing Ads is kind of underrated. That is what I believe. But if you discover the secret of Bing Ads, you make a killing from it. Now the secret step by step on how to run ad profitably on Bings, okay, is what you'll be getting from this particular bonus. Okay, so I will be giving you this bonus number 4 if you get Kryptonite from my link below this video. Also, I'll be giving you this bonus number 5, which is called Viral Growth Engage. Viral growth marketing is one of the most critical aspect of your business, whether it is online or offline. Okay, it helps you to reach across easily to scattered audience without huge financial expenses. Okay, if you learn how to make your articles to go viral or your video to go viral, okay, the effort and energy you put into marketing will be reduced automatically, because you discover that people will begin to do the marketing for you. Okay, now in this particular bonus, you're going to learn step by step on how to make your article or your video to go viral. Okay, so I'll be giving you all those bonuses, and also remember, I'll be giving you all the bonuses that the vendor actually asked me to give to you, right? So all you just need to do is for you to come down here and you click this link. When you click this link, it's going to take you to the sales page. Okay, and before I forget, this Kryptonite is actually $17 for today. If you're going to pick it today, all right, you're going to get it for $17. The price might jack up, so if you take advantage of it today,
have you seen all the positive action
good for
happening
you,
in the
right?
crypto space lately?
So
El Salvador adopted
when you come to this sales page, you can just go through the sales page on your own. Okay, you can see it says top market investors and Fortune 500 companies are now buying crypto, and so should you. Okay, it's an advice. You big investors, big companies are actually going into crypto, and now is the right time for you to go into crypto. But you don't just dabble into crypto, you need to understand exactly what you should be doing, the right coin to buy, okay, how to position yourself rightly to take advantage of the market. Okay, on your own, you can just come down here and go through the sales page. You can see all the big names, okay, the richest guys in the world that are all into crypto, right? So you can see I just want us to watch a very short video. Okay, where Michel actually shows us just a tips of the iceberg of what you're going to be getting inside of crypto night. Okay, it's just going to show you the bull run that is about to happen. Okay, so let's go.
Okay, so I just wanted to go over the most common mistake crypto beginners make, and that's starting when we're at a all-time high. Very often when we reach a all-time high, whether it's in stock market or in crypto, things have a tendency to go down after. So let me just show you what I mean by this. If you notice, from December 2020 to April 2021, we were in an uptrend. Then we reached what we call a trend exhaustion, and we started going down in a downtrend. And right now, we started going back up into a new uptrend. Here's the thing. This year, Bitcoin is predicted to go up to $80,000 or higher. What's important for you to understand is you need to get in the beginning of the uptrend, not at the end of the uptrend, right? So, for example, if you would have gotten in December 2020 and you wouldn't have sold until it hits the all-time high, then you would have made a big profit on whatever you invested. But if you would have gotten here at an all-time high, you would have to wait that things go back up just to break even. And that could take a very long time. If you notice here, I'm on the daily. So, each bar represents days, right? So that could take a long time for things to go back up. So this is why you never want to go in when you're at an all-time high. What you want is to get in the beginning of an uptrend. But sadly, internet marketers that launch products, they wait that things are at an all-time high because it creates hype. So they sell you books and products and video trainings, and you end up having to wait forever just to break even on what you invested because you listened to them. But it's not when you're at an all-time high you need to start putting in money. It's before, like right now, as we're in the beginning of the uptrend for 2021. So if you learned something on this sales page, now imagine what you're going to learn through the Crypto Nights training. And all you need to do to have your own copy of Crypto Nights is go below.
Okay, I hope you actually got value from that video. You can see that he talked about most of the things I've told you earlier, okay, about Crypto Nights. Okay, now let's continue with the review. Inside the review, Michel is going to be showing you easy beginner friendly method that can make you big gains without trading or using leverage at all. Okay, it's going to show you how crypto millionaires are made. It's going to show you the #1 profit killer, okay, that you can easily avoid. Because the truth of the matter, some persons go into crypto, they make money, a whole lot of money, and suddenly they lost everything. Now you need to understand how you can avoid losing your money. Okay, all that you're going to get in Crypto Nights. Okay, 15 to 30 minutes per day only. He is going to show you the safest method to buy or sell crypto and grow your profit exponentially. Then the last one, he says, but most importantly, is going to show you how to make profit without any prior experience. Now, in this particular step-by-step video training, you don't actually need to have any experience, because it's going to hold you by the hands and show you exactly all you need to know about crypto trading in this particular video tutorial. I'm sorry about the disturbance. Then it says beginner training on Binance. These are all the bonuses that my friend Michel will actually be giving you to also complement the bonuses I told you I'll be giving you. He's going to be giving you a beginner training on Binance exchange platform, right? How to protect yourself from inflation. These are the bonus #2. Is going to be giving you the top 5 coin huge profits. Wow, this is a huge one. You need to understand how to buy the right coin. Okay, so all these Michel is going to be showing you how to buy the right 5 coins, okay, that you can actually profit from. The bonus #4 is also be giving you is his top 50 pro tips. Okay, it's going to be giving you PLR license to this particular program. Okay, this particular tutorial. That's amazing. I never expected him to do this, but it's giving you PLR license for it, so it's a very huge one. Okay, so you can as well just buy it and keep it, and you can do a whole lot with it. Okay, so that is it. Just go through the sales page, and you get to understand much better about the software. Okay, there are a whole lot of things it's going to be showing and giving to you. Okay, it's going to give you crypto banner pack and all that, so that you also can also share this even with your friends and your colleagues. Okay, and it's also telling you that you don't even need any knowledge for you to start this. Okay, like I rightly told you earlier, it's going to take it from the beginning and going to show you exactly everything you need to know. When you come down here, it will be very appropriate that you watch this video. Okay, I told you earlier that it's actually $17 and this is it. All right, so I want you to take advantage of this if you want to position yourself in the bull run in the crypto market that is about to happen. Remember, it's not all the coin that actually do well, so you need to understand the right coin that is going to do well and which coin to buy. Okay, so that is it. That is my review for now, and let me just take you through the bonuses I actually say I'm going to give to you if you get crypto night from my link below this video. The bonus number 1 again is crypto arbitrage. The bonus number 2 is gram suits. Bonus number 3 is called Video Hub. The bonus number 4 is Bing Ads Training, and the bonus number 4 is Viral Growth Engage. Okay, I want you to actually click the link below this video and you go straight directly to the sales page, and from there you can gain access to this particular video training. After your purchase, you actually gain access directly to all those bonuses that I've just shown you. Okay, and I want to encourage you to please subscribe to this channel, like this video, okay, and click the notification button so that when next I post another video, resourceful video like this, you get to see them. Okay, I want to actually thank you for taking your time to go through my review. Bye bye for now.